In the comments of my previous videos, you have asked me how I made my steel tongue drum glow. For this particular model, I found a very easy way. We are going to use the sound port on the bottom of the drum. I bought a remote-controlled LED light, which has a good size for this purpose. I found a very similar model on Amazon. I put the link in the description. To attach the LED, I simply used a piece of foam and some double-sided tape. First of all, I opened the LED as I just need the top half of it for now. It can easily be screwed open. I only want to attach the foam to the top half because this way I am still able to access and change the batteries later. Here you can see the light fits perfectly and can be turned on and off with the included remote control. Removing the light is also very easy, as it has a small handle on it. I hope you enjoyed. Have a nice day.